Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin inside a sandbox scene. Open a location that has furniture and containers. Tap once on doors, drawers, and appliances because many little people hide behind interactive items. Once done, listen for quiet sounds or watch for tiny movement near edges. Those are hints. Make sure to drag movable objects, cushions, boxes, curtains to expose hidden spaces. You're working quickly. Focus on items with seams, buttons, or knobs. Those often trigger a reveal of a small character. Now you follow the clues. Spot flickering shadows, tiny footsteps, or a vent that hums. These indicate a hiding place. You should systematically tap nearby objects in a clockwise sweep. Make sure to hold and swipe because some reveals require prolonged interaction. If you hear a giggle or squeak, pause and inspect the nearest seam or crack. Once you find a suspicious item, try combining actions, open it, then gently slide adjacent elements, because small people sometimes require a sequence to appear. Complete the search by executing reveal sequences. Tap the object, hold for 1 to 2 seconds, then swipe or tilt the device. Many hidden characters appear only after that motion. If nothing pops out, restart the scene. Sometimes cache state blocks interactions. Make sure the app is up to date and your device touchscreen is responsive. Recalibrate or clean the screen if needed. If problems persist, switch to another area with similar props, because some scenes contain unique little people you won't find everywhere.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.